future code.
Make a choice. If this, then that.
Hi kids! Today we're going to learn a new kind of game. It's called If or Else. What does that mean? Let me explain with an example. Well, age is 10. Age equals and 10. If age is more than 8, print, you can go to the next level. Imagine you're 10 years old. Here, the computer checks your age and says, if you're 8 or older, you can go to the next level. Oh, wow! That's cool! But, what if I was under 8 years old, huh? What would it say then, huh? Good question. That's the second part of the answer. We have to teach the computer what to say if the user is younger than 8. Let's continue the code else. Print. You need to practice a little more. So, now if the first condition isn't true, the computer will follow the else part instead. Basically, the word else means if the first condition isn't true, do this instead. Aha! Looks like we can do a lot of cool stuff with this if thing, huh? Exactly. Let me give you another example. Let's do it. Tell me, is it raining today? Yes. And it's really pretty rain too, huh? Then maybe it's a good day to stay inside. See, Sarah? We're setting a condition. If the answer is yes, say this. But if it's not, say something else. Wow! The computer knows 2 different ways to respond. Exactly. Can I make my own game with different answers too? Of course you can. Go ahead and try. Now, let's create something exciting using colors. Imagine you're in a forest. In front of you are 3 paths: blue, red, and green. Oh, do I get to choose where to go? Exactly. Each path leads to a different world and a special drawing. Pick blue, the turtle would draw a lake. Pick red, you'll see a volcano. Pick green, a secret meadow appears. Now, let's write the code. Import turtle. Print hello adventurer. Time to choose. Path equals input. Which path? Blue, red, or green? Now, let's write the code for each choice. If blue is selected, this code will run. Otherwise, if red is selected, this code will run. And finally, if green is selected, this code will run. Pay close attention to this part, Sarveen. Here we use a new command, elif. It means if the first condition wasn't true, check the second. If not that, check the next. Now for the final step of the code, if none of these 3 colors are selected, it says this path doesn't exist. Exactly. I got it. That's so cool. And now, I choose the green path. It's made a square. What a cool game. Well done. Today you learned how to make your computer choice, think, and decide. With if and else, you can create games, tell stories, even make art. All you need to do is ask, What if? And teach the computer what to do with the answer.